Alright, so I drove down to the Florida Keys to check out a Sea Hunt 30-foot game fish with a Seakeeper, something you might have seen around at the boat shows. So I came over to Plantation Boat Mart to get a closer look at this, and as you can see right here, they're laying it in the water on the forklift. We're gonna go ahead and loop it around, show you the interior features, and hopefully get an opportunity to see how that Seakeeper works on a Sea Hunt 30. So here we are on the Sea Hunt Boats GameFish 30 with a Seakeeper 2 right there underneath the leaning post, which we're going to show you here in a second. I have my friend Iggy from Plantation Boat Mart doing us the favor of taking us out and showing us this beautiful Sea Hunt model. You got two 12-inch Garmin units there. You got a built-in phone charger, your JL Audio head unit, Helmmaster from Yamaha, nice clean console space. Great looking upholstery, adjustable captain's chairs there. There you go. Got your leg rests. Nice armrest here for tons of comfort. Big lounger. It's a coffin box model. And check out all that space you have in here. Really nice. And right here you have another seat with a 15-gallon pitch well off the bow, which is extremely convenient if you're fishing up here. Nice ample space around this area for fishing also. Tempered glass enclosed console, oversized hardtop, JL Audio speakers everywhere, including the hardtop here. Now Iggy's gonna pop this rear bench seat off so we can see the Seakeeper 2 and how they integrate it here into this 30-footer. So you have a nice additional seat off that bench right there, and obviously a ton of stability with the Seakeeper. You got a massive fish box here on the transom, adjustable bench seat as well. You can get out of the way when you're doing some fishing. Here we have another bench seat which actually has extra storage, access to your pumps and the rear ladder. And off to the port side, a 20-gallon live well as well. So very nicely set up. Twin 300s on this one. Overall sweet ride with all the bells and whistles you could want from Sea Hunt. They just keep getting better every time I come down here to check out one of these boats. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out the console head right here. We have your head, sink, great access here to your rigging, electronics, battery switches, little holder for your ladder, a mirror, and quite a bit of space for a 30-footer. Iggy's gonna show us the side door. As you guys know, this is awesome at the sandbar. You're fighting fish, you have something big you got to pull through there. Makes things much easier, much more comfortable, and at the dock as well. If you're docked on the right side, getting in and out is a breeze. Seakeeper 2 demonstration. Let's go. Get some legs into it.
1, 2, 3. Honestly, that's
That was a good one. That didn't give you guys even a break. There you go. That's the Seakeeper 2. Putting the brakes on these two. You saw how aggressive that was. There's the Yamaha Helmmaster doing its thing. This sweet boat. So that concludes our sea trial on the 30-foot Sea Hunt Gamefish equipped with a Seakeeper 2. Unfortunately, we couldn't get out into any offshore seas to be able to show it, but you guys know what the Seakeeper can do. Very nicely placed here in the leaning post, out of the way, still offers you plenty of storage and the things that you need, but you get stability like no other with the Seakeeper unit. So thanks to Iggy for the sea trial, the guys at Plantation for hosting us once again, and we look forward to coming back here soon to check out the brand new 26 Ultra as well from Sea Hunt Boats. Thanks guys for watching our vlog. If you want to see our latest video, please click right here. And if you like what you see and you want to see more Center Consoles only content, please subscribe right here. Thanks guys.